Welcome back to another video. We got the new deals, guys. New DeWalt deals, new Ridgid deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make sure to review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. I do have other videos. I will link them up above on the right hand corner upper section. I got Milwaukee, I got DeWalt, I got Ryobi, Makita. So all those videos are separated by brands. I'll link them up above. It's the same store. I'm just doing the updates of the newer stuff because they've been putting out more stuff. And like I said, this store is one of the few stores in the United States that have these deals. These are brand new Christmas deals that will be up around the 25th. That's what I heard. This is one of the only stores, and no, you cannot buy this online. It's only store only. Only this store has it, and I believe one or two in California. So let's go ahead and get started. These are the older deals. These are great deals. Definitely recommend these guys. You got the Sander 119. You got the 100 reciprocating saw 99. You got the oscillating tool 129. You got the impact driver drill driver 199. You get a free 2 at the bottom. On these, you get a free 5. These are valid, I believe, up until the end of the month. You got the impact wrench, 239. You got the pack out light, 199, which is probably the best deal. I do have that light. That thing is awesome. Make sure you guys get that if you're going to get it. Or the angle grinder is pretty good too. 179 for the angle grinder. You got the shop vac for 199. And then you got this 2-piece combo kit, 269. Then you got the 2 amp hour and the 5 amp hour batteries on the left. Alright, this is the way it looks. These are the new holiday deals. So make sure you guys stay tuned to your store, because these will pop up. They might pop up sooner. Some stores have them sooner, some might not. So if you don't see it at your store, don't get mad. Eventually you'll get it. I do apologize for that. Eventually you'll get it. You got this deal for $3.99, guys. This is a 779. Pretty good deal on this 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. So under 400 bucks, just under 400 bucks. It is a DeWalt 12-inch. This is one step down from the 780. So 780 is top of the line, and then this is one step down. So it's pretty good for $400. They still have these hoodies. It says heavy duty pull over hoodie, Milwaukee. This one's extra large. $59.97 heavy duty pull over hoodie. All right, and then they got this one. I don't know if I went over this tool kit in the last time, but it's $29. Pretty good deal. It is compatible with the T-Stack and the Versa Stack from Craftsman. You got some drill bits there to the right. It looks like some metal drill bits. And then you got some wood bits on the left. Then you got some nut drivers there and some star bits. I believe 2-inch bits. Tic-tac case there. You got some star bits there, 1-inch. Another tic-tac case. I got some more drill bits there. And I do apologize for the camera. Yeah, magnetic sleeve and some more 2-inch and then some 4-inch bits there. Alright guys, this is what we were waiting for. This is the new holiday deals from DeWalt. This was just put up today. Because when I got here, they were just barely putting these up. So we're going to get a fresh look of the new deals here. Let's go ahead and start with this section here. Alright, so $149, you got the Atomic Compact Series. Regular price $229. You got impact driver and drill driver. These are brushless tools. These are mid-grade tools. Remember guys, the XR is top of the line. Atomic is mid-grade. So prosumer, pro level, home DIY type of thing. You got a 10-piece here. This is a black and gold set here. $7.97. Pretty good price, down from $9.97. So that's a good price for that, for the house. You know, you got this is the box. This is the kit. $149 is pretty good deal. You're getting 2 tools for $149. You're getting 2 batteries to charge in a bag. And just to remember, guys, you guys are getting those smaller batteries that do not have a fuel gauge. So if you're looking for the fuel gauge on those batteries, that's not the tool for you, but still that's a great deal. Alright, you got this kit here with some nut drivers. You got a magnetic sleeve. It looks like a drywall adapter. I don't know if that's a drywall adapter. And it does have the easy load or easy unload removal. You got some 2-inch Phillips there. Some 1-inch Phillips and some star bits there. Yeah, it looks like a drywall adapter. Correct me if I'm wrong at the comments. Alright, this is the deal, guys. Your choice, $99. You get to choose from the drill driver kit, impact driver kit. You get to choose from oscillating tool kit. That's a really good deal. You got a sander kit with the bag. You got the new atomic. And then you got the one-handed reciprocating saw and a circ saw, guys. You guys could choose from any of these for $99. Remember, guys, these deals will not be at your store yet. They will be until the 25th. So don't get mad if you don't see it. You guys keep asking me down in the comment section, hey, when are these deals dropping? They're dropping the 25th or around the 25th. Alright, so this is the impact driver. It seems like it comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. It's $99. Regular price $159. These are 1.3 amp hour batteries. These are the bare bone type of batteries. Alright, so you got the oscillating tool here. Up there in the picture it said it was a kit, so I don't know why they just have the oscillating. Yeah, it is the kit. So I don't know why that box is just the oscillating tool by itself. Maybe it is the kit, it's just the batteries are at the bottom. You got a circ saw here. This is I believe it's a 4.5-inch circ saw. It's the Atomic Compact Series. That's it right there. 4.5-inch circular saw, tool only. So that's a pretty good deal for that. And then you got a sander. This is the XR. This is a brushless top of the line sander kit. And then you got the Atomic Compact Series one-handed reciprocating saw. It is a brushless. So yeah, really nice tools. Definitely check it out. That's the way they look on the guys. And you guys get to choose from the new Atomic Impact driver, guys. You guys can choose to that one. I personally, I'm gonna get that one as soon as it's available. But yeah, it wasn't available at the store, unfortunately. I ended up picking another tool, but this is the section where they had this impact driver. This is the new 3-speed Atomic Impact driver for $99. Regular price $149. Guys, this is a killer deal. I actually ordered it from Atomic, or what's it, Acme Tool. And it was $149. So this is a killer deal for $99. Definitely check it out. That's a really good deal. Got the Max Fit steel screwdriver and bits at $99.88. Yeah, I just wanted to say this again, guys. They're selling out. These things are selling. These are the right angle adapters. There's a few there at the bottom, so I ended up picking one, guys. I did forget it last time. But yeah, this is you got some 2-inch bits. You got a magnetic sleeve. You got some 1-inch bits. A Tic Tac case there. And then that's the right angle adapter, guys. That thing by itself is $20, and yes, it is $20. I know you guys, some of you kept saying that it wasn't $20, that it was another one. Yes, the one you're saying it's another one, that's $24, but this one's $20 by itself. So that right angle bit is $20 by itself. $79 for that Brad Nailer. And then you got the impact wrench here, kit here, $249. It's a pretty good deal. It does come with the 4 amp hour battery. So it's a purchase one and get done with it basically, and you got a nice battery to go with it. $14.97 for the black and gold 12 piece. I personally do not like the black and gold. Because I go heavy on my, every time I'm drilling. That's my pet peeve. If those drill bits go bad and you got to switch drill bits and all that. Anyways, you got the Atomic for $99. This is the kit. It does come with 2 batteries, a charger on the back. It's pretty much the same as at the other side. I'm just going over see if we see anything different here. You got the impact driver. You got the impact driver and drill driver for $149. As you guys see there, regular price $229. And you got some more drills over here. So they got a lot of drills for $99. Which, if you guys do the math, the 2 for $149 is probably the killer deal. And they're getting to. Alright, so this is the deals. One of the deals that I mentioned on the old DeWalt video. I'm not gonna go in depth, but the good deal to point out is the circ saw. $249. You get a 6 amp hour battery. That one on the right up hand corner. You get a circ saw, rear handle circ saw, worm style, and you get a 6 and charger in the bag. The one that I want, it's $199. That's the one that I got. I did a video, unboxing video on that. If you guys want to check that video out, I'll see if I can link it up above for you guys. But that's a really good deal for $199. If you break up into the tools, it breaks up to $100 even, the tool and the kit. But yeah, there's a lot of good deals. I mean, there's so many good deals here. It's hard. I can spend an hour on this. So you got $5.99. Now this one you get 3 free tools for free if you buy that $5.99 kit. You get the as you guys see there, you get the flex bolt circ saw, you got the flex bolt hammer drill, and you get the impact driver. And this one you get in the hammer drill and the impact driver. $3.99. You get in the flex bolt battery, the 6 amp hour battery, and the flex bolt hammer drill. And then the regular impact driver XR. Alright, this is one of the tools you guys can select for free. This is the flex bolt advantage circ saw, $199. Which is the best deals, guys, are these flex bolt tools. That's the flex bolt circ saw, $199. That's a really good deal. If you guys get it with that kit, you guys are gonna get this for $100. It's just so crazy, so low. You got a router. Alright, so $169. You got a jigsaw here, same thing, $169. With regular price $199. And we still got to go over the new deals. So later on, a little bit later on in this video, you guys can fast forward if you want, but later on we're gonna go into the newer deals. I just wanted to, yeah, this is the circ saw, $249, guys. They didn't have any. That's what I came for at the store, and they did not have it. That's a really good deal. That is a worm style circ saw rear handle with the 6 amp hour battery. That's a killer deal. You got the 3 amp hour battery combo for $99. Same thing too. And then you got the oscillating tool, the compact multi-tool oscillating tool atomic for $139. I know they had another kit over there for $99, so it's not even worth getting it for free if you're gonna get it for $99 with the kit, you know, at the other display. So that is not a tool to get. Make sure you guys don't get it as a free tool. Make sure you guys select something else. One of the flex volt advantages. Those are the tools to get with these promos. If you can get the 3 flex volt tools with the the $5.99 kit, that is probably the most you can get out of your money. You know. All right. So this is a flex volt 6 amp hour battery for $159. Which, if you guys do the math, you guys could get the 2 for $169, I believe, or $179. This is the kit that I did the unboxing on. I did get this kit and received the free tool. I chose the angle grinder. This is the flex bolt angle grinder. I will be doing an unboxing of the angle grinder. This is the right angle. This is completely different. This is $24. The one that I'm saying is $19. You got the red helix here. The metal shockwave. These are titanium bits. That's a really good price, $14.97. This is a really good price too. This is a nice vacuum, $119. And then that's the filters, the 2-pack of filters, $24.88. Alright, that's the vacuum. That's a really good deal on this vacuum. I really like the pack out. This one seems to be a little bit more powerful. I don't know why. There's a lot of reviews out there where they compare both of them, but that one's supposed to be a little bit more powerful. Well, on some of the lower, like the smaller stuff, it sucks more, but on the, you know, when it becomes with the power, like the bigger stuff, the pack out sucks a little bit more. All right, guys, these are the new deals, guys. These are the new deals that they got going on. You got the $4.99 kit. That's the with the tough system, and you got those tools. They're I believe they're brushless tools. Guys, that's a really good deal. You got the buy one get one free to the left. You buy any of the newer impact wrenches or the impact driver kit, the bandsaw, or the SDS hammer drill, you get a free 5 amp hour battery. Or you can get the kit on the left for $2.99. Guys, These are awesome deals. This is one of the tools. It's not even out yet. These tools are not even out yet, and they already have them here at the Home Depot on sale with the free 5 amp hour. Isn't that crazy? This is the DCF 923B. This is tool only. This is the 3/8 atomic impact wrench. This is the little stubby. I don't know if you want to call it stubby. If you got any red fans here, they're gonna hate on me if I call them stubby. But yeah, this is basically a stubby impact wrench from DeWalt. 3/8 for $199. You got the bandsaw for $199. It's a 1 3/4 bandsaw. You get the atomic impact driver kit for $199. That's the atomic. That's the new atomic impact driver, which they did not have any. That is the SDS. Guys, crazy deals, guys. You're getting a 5 amp hour battery for free. I actually bought one of these impact wrenches, and they did not even have this in the system yet. They already have all these tools. Those are the batteries you guys are gonna get for free. Yeah, guys. The people there, they didn't even want to give me the deal there. You got $299. This is the 4-tool combo kit. You get in the oscillating tool. You get it the one-handed reciprocating impact driver, drill driver, 2 batteries for $299. So you guys see there, guys. Definitely check it out. There's a lot of good deals you guys could get here. And then you got here's the new Ridgid deals, which I did not know what the deals are. So we have to kind of guess. My guess is you're going to buy this kit and you're going to get something for free, maybe a tool or a battery. That's all we can do now because that's all we have, just the tools. So from the looks of it, we got the angle grinder for $119. You got the jigsaw for $99. You got the oscillating tool for $99. Looks like you got a drill at the bottom. You got an impact driver here for $99. Got an impact wrench here for $179. And this is the kit, guys. This is what's so weird about it. I don't know if we're gonna get this for as a promo, like a buy one get one free. You buy this, maybe get a free tool or something. So this one comes with the bag, a 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. My guess is we're gonna get something like that, because it's just like the other tool deals. If you guys see them, you guys do have the kit similar like this, and then you got the free tools on the bottom or the right hand. So I guess we're gonna get something like this. The cardboard thing wasn't up yet. The deals weren't up yet, so they're just putting out the tools. Anyways, just thought I want to share this. Let me know that in the comment section. Which tool would you want to get? Do you want to get Milwaukee? Do you want to get DeWalt? Do you want to get Ridgid? You want to get Ryobi? Makita? Which is your favorite tool brand this year, and what tool deal are you going to get this year? Let me know that in the comment section. I'm anxious to know what everybody thinks. I personally got the angle grinder, the flexible angle grinder, and the 6 amp hour battery and the 4 amp hour battery deal. So let me know that in the comment section. I'll link all those videos up above on the right hand corner. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.